Yeah, so I'm trying to clear snow off the top of my 2012 RAV4. The whole thing is covered up in snow. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making this quick video to show you what it's like to actually live in Seattle area. Sometimes we don't get snow like this, but the past 3 years we've been getting a lot of snow, and yeah, this is what all the streets are like. Everything is covered in snow. This is my 2012 RAV4 limited edition with the 3.5 liter V6 engine. This is a 4-wheel drive. And you come here, you have the limited. And one thing that happens when it snows like this is that for kids it's fun, but for adults like me, there is a lot of challenges that come with this snow. You have to shovel, you have to find a way to like actually clear your driveway so that you can actually get out with your car. Now, even though my car is a 4-wheel drive, there isn't very much I can do because I don't have any good treads on my tires. So yeah, I might not be able to drive this RAV4 unless the roads start clearing up, but I know with the 4-wheel drive capability it should be able to do better. Now this is a 3.5 liter V6 engine with and over here is my wife's 2012 Toyota Sienna Sport Edition that is powered by the same 3.5 liter V6 engine. Now, one thing that you're gonna notice is that this Sienna has the same engine as my RAV4, the same 3.5 liter V6. This one produces 266 horsepower, and my RAV4 produces 269 horsepower. So that's one reason why this RAV4, even though it's a 2012 RAV4, is one of the fastest compact SUV in the world. Now you can accelerate from 0 to 60 in about 6 seconds in this RAV4. Now my car is all covered, and over here I have 2005 Focus ZS4 SES with a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder engine. This car performs really well in the snow because it's a front-wheel drive, and this has like a skid control which makes this to perform really well. Now let me show you how deep this snow is. This is the roof of, that's how much snow we have on the roof right now. So what I'm gonna try and do is try to clear some of this one I park on the street because I really don't need this Ford Focus. I don't drive it very much because I have the red Toyota RAV4 limited that I daily drive. So this is what the streets here in Kirkland are like right now. Lot of snow. Now if the snow doesn't clear up by maybe Monday, like the school district here, I work for a school, like a private school, so we might not be going to work. Okay, so I must tell you this, okay? This is the 2012 Sienna. This Sienna is handicapped in a snow situation like this. You can't actually drive it, though we have chains for it. But this one, the reason why we bought this RAV4 is because we wanted to be able to like take it over Stevens Pass and Snoqualmie Pass anytime it snows, because we used to travel a lot on a weekly basis. So yeah, I will be showing you a little bit of this RAV4 in a few minutes. Yeah, it's very beautiful to have all this snow. I love it. It's beautiful, but cleaning up is the major problem. Here it is, my RAV4 covered in snow. Now the reason why I'm going to be clearing my walkways because it's fun to be stepping on fresh snow, but when the snow starts melting, it turns into a sheet of ice, which is very, very dangerous. And I've already hurt my right leg and I can't afford to hurt my second leg. So yeah, I'm gonna try and clear the walkway, the stairs, and even if it snows more, I will be able to clear it because it's gonna be less snow and it's easier to clear when it's not stepped on. Hello everyone. Check out the 2021 Seattle snowstorm. And this is like a playhouse. It's covered in snow. I'm trying to get the snow out of it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know I don't usually post content like this, but I just want to share some of this beautiful 2021 Seattle snow with you guys and how much snow we got here. Currently we got about 18 inches.